POS store at Unity Plaza, Bambalapitiya. I think this is the only store of this kind, which is very specialized store for selling POS hardware and software. ESOF Technology specializes in cloud-based software solutions, which any entrepreneur, small and medium scale entrepreneur, can buy without making a big investment at the beginning on a monthly subscription basis. So this POS store will allow them to have access to all kinds of hardware, including touch displays, printers, scanners and all that under one roof. I invite all the small and medium scale enterprise owners to come and visit our store and get to know about the latest technology which you can use to efficiently manage your retail or wholesale business.
So ESOFT has 24/7 operation activities, so they are good at it. Whereas SLT Mobitel has the island-wide presence in selling most of the gadgets. So this is the bridge between those two companies.
That is required as we go on our digital transformation journey of Sri Lanka. It's important that we empower not just the corporates but also the SMEs and the small office home offices, and these kind of technologies are a great benefit to these small offices, home offices as well as SMEs across Sri Lanka, and I think that this is a great initiative and I wish them all the very best on this endeavor.
One thing that I believe is basically if we want to lift up the economy of the country, we have to push and develop the SME sector. So I know that there are leading brands, but whereas our equipment comes under our own brand, which are imported from reliable suppliers from different countries, mostly from China, but we are giving a 1-year comprehensive warranty on this, and also afterwards our teams are ready for doing the necessary service and repairs and replacements of these equipment. Especially I told you, as my target is the small and medium enterprises, we can take the message and try to uplift them with the better technology.
It's indeed great to have a flagship store of this nature in order to showcase the truly wonderful solutions a team has built, which is truly magnificent in terms of what it can do, and also the business matchmaking that we have done in bringing some of the best suppliers, international level suppliers, in order to make this kind of technology available. So ESOFT Technologies has done a great deed in enabling our Sri Lankan entrepreneurs to make use of this latest technology in order to take their businesses on to the next level.
කුමන වර්ගයේ හෝ බිස්නස් එකක් පවත්වාගෙන යන කස්ටමර් කෙනෙක්ට මේ සොලියුෂන් එක පාවිච්චි කරලා එයාලගේ ෂොප් එකේ සේල්ස් වෙන්නේ කොහොමද, ඒ වගේ මේ ෂොප් එකේ ඉන්වෙන්ටරි බැලන්ස් වෙන්නේ කොහොමද, අද දවසේ ඉන්කම් එක කොහොමද, ඒ ඉන්කම් එක කලින් දවසත් එක්ක සාපේක්ෂව ඒක ප්‍රොෆිට් එකක්ද ලොස් එකක්ද, මේ වගේ ෆීචර්ස් අපි මේ software solution එකෙන් කස්ටමර්ට ලබා දෙනවා. ග්‍රොසරි එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, එහෙම නැත්නම් සුපර් මාකට් එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, ෆාමසි එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්, හાર્ඩ්වෙයාර් එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේ ඕනෑම වර්ගයේ බිස්නස් කැටගරි එකකට අදාළ වෙන විදිහට අපි විශේෂ features මේ software solution එක හරහා අපේ customers ලට දෙනවා.
So we do have from Windows and Android. When it comes to Windows, we do have is Core i5 Intel processor, which is 8GB RAM and 128GB SSD, which includes 15.6 inches touchscreen and LED8 customer display. So this is the highest spec machine in Sri Lanka as well. And when it comes to Android, we do have the dual display, so which is more valuable restaurants, supermarkets and etc. since it has a dual display, and we do at the same time we do have all POS solutions, accessories like thermal printers, cash drawers, barcode scanners, and fingerprint machines as well. Starting prices from 79,500 upwards.